Hi friends, my name is Harshil Mehta and let me tell you, I'm a huge fan of विराट कोहली and I'm sure आप सबको विराट कोहली पसंद होगा और क्यों नहीं. Look at his achievements. Look at what he has achieved in the cricket world. अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर के बाद, with all due respect, अगर किसी का नाम आएगा then 100% it will be विराट कोहली. Look at his records. So I am a big fan of विराट कोहली and मेरे में बड़ी दिलचस्पी थी. I really wanted to know more about him. So recently I read a very interesting book called Think and Win Like Virat because I wanted to know what really makes Virat Kohli the Virat Kohli. So after reading this book, I've learned 3 very important lessons जो अगर हम भी अपने लाइफ में अपने प्रोफेशन में अप्लाई करेंगे then surely we can reach great heights. So through this video, I'll share those 3 important lessons that I learned from this book. So let's start. Lesson number 1. Fall in love with the process and follow it consistently. अब विराट कोहली की कंसिस्टेंसी पे कोई डाउट नहीं है. He is the most consistent cricketer of this era. उसका ODI में average is 58 plus. Incredible. हर दूसरे या तीसरे मैच पे 50 बनाते हैं. It's a cakewalk for him. Insane consistency. लेकिन ये जो consistently वो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, that's a result of the efforts that he is putting in consistently and the process that he is following consistently. चाहे ईद हो, दिवाली हो, होली हो, न्यू ईयर, क्रिसमस, doesn't matter. Every day training, every day going in the nets and practicing, every day following the same boring diet. Like for years he's been following that boring diet. Why? Process. As simple as that. Process. This is the process. इसको follow करना है if I want to reach there. Similarly, friends, whatever you want to achieve in life, आपका क्या भी जो भी goal है, what is the process? Just prepare a roadmap कि मुझे अगर यहाँ पे पहुँचना है, if I want to achieve this, these are the set of activities that I'll have to do, and love that process, because if you do not love, you won't be able to do consistently, and if there's inconsistency, you will not get the results. So first task, what your goal is, make a process, understand what the process is, and then follow that process consistently. So that's lesson number 1. Lesson number 2, enter the state of the flow. Now Virat Kohli is the best chase master. He loves to chase and so many times उसने इंडिया को जिताया है chasing mammoth totals. So he enters this state of flow. It means it's a state of deep focus जहाँ पे he doesn't get distracted. He doesn't get distracted by the noise. उसका एक ही लेजर लाइक फोकस होता है, डीप फोकस कि दिस इज माई टारगेट, आई हैव टू चेज इट डाउन. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू improve your productivity, stay away from distractions, social media, what people are talking, what people are doing around you. Let's say अगर आप जिम में गए हो, just work out, focus on your workout. After every 5 minutes, just don't pick up your phone and scroll through Instagram or look at people like मेरे आसपास के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. This will kill your productivity. Just like Virat Kohli, enter the state of flow, deep focus. When he's working out, he's just working out. When he's practicing in the net, he's just practicing. Deep focus is very important to achieve great things in life. So that's lesson number 2. Enter the state of the flow. Lesson number 3. Bounce back from every setback. Who likes to lose? No one. Who likes criticism, failures? No one. But can we avoid them? Not at all. It is inevitable. Failures, criticism, defeats, inevitable part of life. At some stage in life, we will have to encounter them. What to do? Keep moving. Keep learning. Keep bouncing back. विराट कोहली 2019 से लेकर 2022 तक no international hundreds. Faced lot of criticism. उसकी कैप्टनसी पे faced a lot of criticism. IPL, RCB, 18 years. It took 18 years for RCB to lift that trophy. Just imagine, कितना लोगों ने troll किया. People criticized Virat Kohli, made fun of him, made fun of RCB. But they kept going. They kept learning and kept going, kept improving, and won IPL title after 18 years. So friends, life will throw challenges, life will throw failures at you, and you will fail. You will fail more than succeeding, but keep learning, keep moving, and keep bouncing back. King Martin Luther once rightly said that if you cannot fly, run. If you cannot run, walk. If you cannot walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving. So that's lesson number 3. Bounce back from every setback. And if you want to bounce back, keep moving. So friends, these are those 3 lessons that I learned from this amazing book. Think and win like Virat. अब हम सब क्रिकेटर्स तो नहीं बन सकते, but let's take inspiration from this fantastic cricketer Virat Kohli and apply these lessons in our life so that we can be the Virat Kohli in our respective professions. Thank you for watching the video and hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe, show some love, support, and I'll keep coming back with such videos to add value in your life. Till then, keep trying, keep learning, keep shining.